Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogs and Flavors. If you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. So, if you're unfamiliar with these croquettes, I'm about to completely rock your world. This recipe is just delicious, layered upon delicious. So, get ready to dream of little chicken croquettes dancing in your head. So, let's start. Place the potatoes in a large pot and fill it with cold water. Bring the potatoes to a boil over high heat, then reduce to a medium and cook for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. In another pan, add 2 spoons of oil, chopped onions, cook until transparent. Stir fry it until you think it's ready. Now add chopped cabbage and stir it for 2 more minutes. Now add half a spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of finely chopped boneless chicken. If you're cooking vegetarian version of croquettes, please skip chicken and add beans, corn and any veggies of your choice. Close lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add 1 spoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, 1 spoon of garam masala as per your spice level. Stir it for 2 minutes. Now add some cheese and mix well. Now add grated carrot, chopped cilantro, cook for another 2 minutes and keep it aside. Take a bowl, add boiled potatoes and chicken, smash it and mix them together. Flatten and roll the stuff into any shape of your wish. Now break 2 eggs and whisk them thoroughly. Now roll them first into the all-purpose flour on all the sides. Then dip them in the beaten egg and finally roll them through the breadcrumbs. Make sure they are completely covered on all the sides. Now deep fry them on a medium hot oil until they turn into golden brown. Now enjoy these delicious crispy croquettes. Please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.